Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wolfman Walsh here, and as you've seen in the previous video, the great Enso himself gifted me with this for taking care of his fur babies while they were on vacation. So I wanted to do just a quick little, more of a detailed unboxing with some close-up pictures of this, the Case, I guess XX Rosewood Jig Folding Hunter. This knife, and hey Case, thanks, just a box. This knife, it's a case with a case, is awesome. Now, if you saw our, look at that, woo, that's pretty. If you saw our blade show video that we did, I talked about actually liking one of the new folding hunters like this in the Kelly green and brass bolsters. When I went and looked at it in the store, it was too nice. It was too clean, too crisp, more of a showpiece than anything else. So I ended up looking at this and one other one, and Enso went and purchased this one for me as a gift. And I got to tell you, this thing is beefy. Look at the size of that thing for a folder, for a traditional folder. This thing is awesome. This is rosewood on the handle. This is my first official wooden handled knife as well. Shiny nickel bolsters there. Let me get out the other blade here. The Skinner blade. I like the look of that Skinner blade. And as I said in the previous video where he gave this to me, I am going to take this hunting. This is going to be one of the 3 knives that I take hunting this year. Hunting season is just about a month away, 5 weeks away. So hopefully this thing will get to see some action, get some good use. I am going to do kind of a hunting video if I can actually get it filmed. So we'll look forward to that as well. Not sure if you guys would be interested in that or not, but I am going to try to do one this year. I haven't done one of those before, so that'll be new. Anyway, so let's go over some of the specs for this knife. This giant beast here. There we go. Oh wait, hang on. Some traditionalists will get mad at me because again, I don't know how to properly display this because this is not my forte. There we go. We're gonna leave it just like that for a moment while we go over some just specifications here. 6.4 ounces. It is pretty heavy. I am glad it comes with this leather belt sheath. English is tough. It's 5 1/4 inches closed. I don't know how long it is open. I guess I could get a measuring tape and measure that for you because I don't know. So they end at the same point there. So yeah, let me get a measuring tape. And sorry if the lighting is not great. It's kind of late at night. So yeah, we are at 9 1/4 inches open. So that actually opens up pretty largely. There we go. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Both blades are 4 inches. You got a 4-inch Skinner and a 4-inch clip. And it is the traditional Case True Sharp stainless steel. There is the oval shield. And again, I'm just getting into this. The oval shield is probably my least favorite shield. I know it is the most classic shield, but I like the Federal shield, the bomb shield, the Coke bottle shield, pretty much any shield but this one. But that's the only negative thing I have to say about this knife. Other than that, this thing is beautiful. It doesn't have a mirror finish, which is what I like. I'm not a fan of mirror finishes, so I'm totally fine with the satin finish. So I really hope to get some video of me using this in a couple of months and put it up for you all. Of course, it'll be in black and white because of standards. So yeah, that's all. He got this from our friends over at Tennessee Cutlery, or you can also find them online at Deadwood Knives. I think this was $100, so this was a phenomenal gift. I really appreciate it. So yeah, why don't you leave Enso some love in the comments and tell him thank you for purchasing me such an amazing traditional folder because I needed one. I need more traditional folders in my life to get more accustomed to using them and to carrying them. So I will say I did carry this at work the other day, so I had it on my belt. It is quite the beefy boy there. So anyway, leave Enso some comments. Tell him thank you for opening my eyes and educating me to the things that are out there beyond just more modern folders. Let's see, pocket check on today. I've got the wee Banter with the blue studs, and that's it. I mean, I carried these today. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Take care.